Africa sila eGermiston la sikhona. Lapho umuntu aqala ngokubingelela sila eGermiston la sikhona. Sisesikoleni. Isikole esiphethwe ama-foreigners. Lesikusona igama laso it's MLE International School. Silapha ke namhlanje sithola ukuthi into esishola njengo-Labour Desk kunento eyenzakalayo sihamba nomzali kwengane la all the way from Durban letha umntwana wakhe la for the purpose ukuthi abe ne-better education only to find ukuthi umntwana he's getting exploited esikoleni la kumele athole ukunakekeleka khona. So ke su-MK Labour Desk today sila sizodibana nabanikazi besikole. We want them to explain to us what is really going on in this school, and then we want also to verify ukuthi banawo amaphepha even ukuthi bangasebenza la eSouth Africa nana nokuthi bangaba nane institution efana nesikole noma ke isikole la eSouth Africa. Konke lokho we going to verify it when you get in there. And lastly sidinga ukuthi umntwana athole ubulungiswa ijustice, because from here we're going to the police station as well to ensure ukuthi lento la siyayilungisa ngendlela yonke. Amandla mhlawumbe mama ukuchazela abantu eSouth Africa kwenzekile emntwaneni nakho.
Last week umntwana I get a call ukuthi uya expel esikoleni, especially he's doing a grade 12. I get a call from the director of school but he's expelling my child because he find him outside the gate. He was saying he's going to buy the quota, he was hungry, and no one gave him the chance to explain now why they were there. It's him and his friend, because both of them they're staying at the boarding house. Even the time he called me, the way she shouted at me, it was like I'm nobody. Like I don't think even her gardener, he was shouting the way he was shouting at me, and he sent me the tickets to say he bought my child the ticket to send him away from the school. That is why I'm here today, because I'm tired. I'm really tired.
And what is surprising here, when they communicate with the child, with the parent, they told her that this thing, it can even change tomorrow being a hotel.
Exactly.
They can even change the school being a hotel. So now kuyabonakala ukuthi ke abantwana abaphephanga labakhona. Asazi ukuthi bakuphi la. Kodwa lokho sokuthola ngaphakathi.
On top of that, I can't pay 100-something thousand, more than 100-something thousand a year. Then the child can't get the treatment that is supposed to be treated. The child is doing the grade 12. Not even one single term. The child is in school, is schooling. Now it's about to write the exam. They never finish the syllabus. Teachers are changing left, right, and center. I need to get the answers. If they fail to do so, they need to pay my money for grade 11 last year, 2024, and everything that I pay in the school, and my money for this year as well.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Mamember se-MK lawa njengoba sibabona abahamba nemtali lo mntwana akafunza la kule sikolo lesilapha eGermiston but MLE njengoba sivile MLE International. And I'm asking myself ukuthi why lo make, because lo make mntwana ke ufunza matric and bahlala lapha eThekwini. Umsusele nemntwana yonke le ndzawo leThekwini, amsuse eThekwini ayomfaka eGermiston. Namhle yakhala ubita ama-member se-MK ukuthi atomsita because lesikolo si-owner abantu boqhamuka, yet umfake lapha lo mntwana knowing very well ukuthi isikolo si-owner abantu boqhamuka. So uyasho ukuthi umntwana bayamxosha esikolweni njengoba simvila atichazela inkomo yakhe. Yes, it's a good thing kulabanye ukuthi ma-member se-MK abaqosha ama-foreigner, wafuna ama-foreigner, wafuna ngisho nasemakliniki bayabavimba ukuthi bakangeni. Some are supporting that, some are not. And ngimangaliswa ukuthi some people banothisa ukuthi ama-foreigners babantu lababi uma sebabende something. Naku makuthethe umntwana wayomfaka kule sikolo knowing very well ukuthi si-ownwa bantu boqhamuka, but umthethe umntwana wakhe wayomfaka kule sikolo. Now that into sethi ya backfire, so ufuna ma-member se-MK ukuthi atomlekelela atomsida abe amfake ngabo umntwana wakhe kulesiya sikole njengoba sesimuvasho ukuthi so ufuna imali yakhe uma ukuthi abakhona kuyisolve this issue, ufuna imali yakhe ukuthi bamnike imali yakhe ya last year and this year. Kube bantu bayakhutwa ungema-foreigners but bona baqena enhloko bendeni bahlale nama-foreigner bathanzane nama-foreigner. Uma sekushuba umuntu so uyakhala. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.